What's up, folks? Matt May, KMR Home Automation and Theaters. Just want to show you kind of what we finished for today. I got more to do on this, but this is, if not the first, one of the first, I think it's the first 100-inch Sony TV in Houston, Texas. We just installed it. Very, very heavy. It's kind of flush mounted in the wall. We're running our YouTube channel on there. Check us out. It's KMR Home Automation and Theaters. But this is an actual 100-inch TV, not a projector. Pretty crazy. This home runs on Savant home automation. See how it's recessed in the wall here? I'm not that narcissistic. It just happens to be playing a video of me from our YouTube channel. But this is a room that I didn't do the golf simulator. Another company did, but we've been working with them. But customer had the attic built out into a golf simulator. We're fixing to add some in-ceiling speakers back here and on the sides there. And then this is really cool. This is a existing customer where we have a Savant system. We're changing it out to a higher end Savant system where this TV will be running a video tiling processor. So you'll be able to run 4 sources on there and do like one big main one and 3 others and just a mix of whatever, all from an iPad. So pretty dope. But wanted to show you all one of the first, if not the first, 100-inch Sony TVs installed in the Houston market. For the best in home automation and theaters, there we are right there, KMR Home Automation and Theaters, 281-780-9383.